Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday here. This is Mark back here for T3 Live. Lots of indecision is happening. We're seeing big travel ranges this week. One up day Monday, one big down day. No, one nice reversal on Monday, big up day Tuesday, big down day Wednesday. Does that mean the trend is big up day on Thursday? We will have to wait and see. This indecision, it's confusing a lot of traders. It's confusing myself. It's more confusing because if you're thinking about the macro market, if you think about there's going to be some resolution that's going to happen this week, it's not happening. The Greek vote is next week. Maybe that gives us a little clue on what's beginning. Overall, you're seeing you have a bucket of very weak, bad-looking charts. You have a bucket of okay, still not ready charts. You don't have a bucket of great A-plus trades at this point out there. That being said, how do you take advantage of this market? Two things, and I'm realizing this, and I say it. Sometimes saying it doesn't mean you always act on it. Less is more. Pick your spots. What seems to be happening is the exaggerated moves, whether it's to the upside or downside, seems to be we always go back to the mean. That being the case, it feels like to me downside seems like it's wanted more. The bears seem still to be in control, but with the election coming up next week, I don't think that could change in a snap of the fingers. That being said, the spiders, low end of the range, we're looking at about 131. Top end of the range, 133.50. In between that, it's nowhere's land. And every day we're testing almost both ends of the ranges. That means should be good trading, good opportunities. The key is pinpoint, narrow focus. Banks yesterday, J.P. Morgan, Jamie Dimon spoke on the Hill. My opinion, he did a pretty good job, and across the board, rallied a little bit. Then obviously towards the end of the day, came in as everything else did. And now we're up a little bit this morning. Jobless number came out. Not great. Not expected to be great, but we're up. We're up, a few handles. Overall, guys, you do your work. You look at your charts, and I got to tell you, I see 0 A-plus trades. There's some bad-looking charts out there. I'm looking at Google, which has lacked leadership for a little while, and to me, it's still showing really, that it just doesn't want to go anywhere except down. But I understand it's also at the lower end of its Bollinger Band at this point in time. It's not short. I'm not shorting at 560, 558. Even if it gets to 550, I'll wait a little bit. Apple's still just ping-ponging. The banks are ping-ponging, trying to find a level, trying to find either a place to, base to move higher or a place to move lower. Oil cannot get out of its own way also. So if you can just see, this indecision is not fun from a trading point of view, and obviously the patience is where you have to be. Be a sniper. Don't expect any resolution to which way we're going to move in this market, minimum until next week, and I think it's we're in this for a little bit longer than that, obviously. But that being said, we have the power as traders. You certainly have as traders and investors, you have the power to decide whether you want to get involved or you want to stay on the sidelines. And if you don't have a lot of conviction, you stay on the sidelines until that conviction, all your, lines cross and things make a little bit more sense. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to do. I'm talking about it. I'm saying it. The key is actually acting on it. That's our job. That's what we do as traders. And the more I've been doing this, and the longer you are in this business, you realize there's opportunities like this that you just have to sit and wait. And that's where we're at. So understand the ranges. Again, 130, 130.50, lower end of the spiders, 133.50, high end of the spiders. In between that, it's a little bit of a guessing game, and you really got to pinpoint your ideas and certainly pinpoint your stocks. Good luck today. I'll see you back tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman, CEO of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.